ازاي اوفر الطاقه واوفر الميه، وازاي اطلع زيرو ويست، الزباله ما بقاش فيه، استخدم كله يبقى كله
يعني حضرتك عايز تقول ان هذا الكلام صالح بادئ زي بدء في المناطق الجديده اللي لسه ما بوظناهاش.
الله ينور عليك.
The Gates Foundation, for example, they're investing in new types of sewage treatment that is no longer the kind of thing that we see in our urban areas around the world. It's going to be much more compact, or of course there's all types of sewage treatment that even use wetland areas. There's a lot of alternative solutions now to some of these problems that can be less true with energy, costly, and it's also true with water. And then waste treatment, the same thing. There's all these technologies out there. I mean, it's not just for eco lodges anymore, We got to get these technologies out there. Governments have to be proactive. They have to start looking for these technologies, understanding what technologies to apply, providing tax incentives, and getting these technologies in place.
Over 2.5 billion people have no access to safe sanitation. We asked brilliant engineers to help us solve this problem. Where the waste is valuable.
The Omni processor turns sewer sludge, which is kind of nasty, into clean drinking water, electricity, and ash that is pathogen-free. This is where the sludge enters the machine. It goes up this conveyor belt, is fed into these large tubes we call the dryer. That's where we boil the sludge. Or vapor from the solids. Generator that makes electricity that we use for the processor, and also excess electricity that can be delivered back to the community. The water vapor that's created in the boiling process is run through a cleaning system until we have the cleanest, purest water you can possibly imagine. The electricity, the water, and the ash. Because it makes money every day.
Device, very compact device that will convert human waste into heat in a 20-foot storage container. This system can be used to treat the human waste from 1,200 people.
عندك في كولورادو عملوا المبنى التويلت اللي يتعمل من تحته بيجمع كل خلاصة اللي هي الصرف، ويعمل لك منه فحم عضوي. مش احنا بدل ما نروح نستورد الفحم ب6 و7 دولار نحطه المصانع الاسمنت، خد الفحم ده ب10 سنت. طب مين ممكن يعمله لك؟ يعمله لك في الأكاديمية. عندنا قسم اللي هو الطاقة البديلة في الأكاديمية، يعملوها لك في اسكندرية، مش هتجيب واحد أجنبي.
And our first prize goes to the California Institute of Technology. Our project is a self-contained toilet and wastewater treatment system that's powered by sunlight. Also disinfected, and they can be used directly as fertilizer. Infections, diarrheal diseases, which often lead to dehydration and death. It certainly can be done. So it's self-contained, it's a zero-energy system, and it's not dependent on traditional infrastructure.
Using our custom-designed ceramic toilet bowl, the solid waste falls directly onto an inclined perforated drying plate. The urine passes through the plate to the tank below. By separating the liquids and solids, aerobic conditions are achieved. Air trapped under the inspection cover is heated by the sun, and this hot air rises. Air within the black polyethylene vent pipe is also heated by the sun. Together with the rising air and the extraction unit, negative pressure is created within the tank. Fresh air is continuously drawn into the system via the ceramic toilet bowl and via the side inlet pipes. The EnviroLoo is a sealed unit. It does not allow leakage out of the tank. Negative pressure created within the container prevents the escape of odors through the toilet bowl or through the air inlet pipes.
يبقى انا استطيع في الاماكن اللي انا هبنيها من جديد هيبقى كلها خضراء. مفيش بقى حاجه اسمها بنزين، مفيش حاجه اسمها مش عارف ايه، الروث اللي هيطلع بتاع الحيوانات او الفضلات الزراعيه هتطلع الميثان استخدمه في الطاقه.
يعني هل ده
of the number of bricks that we're using, these blocks, using the mixture of we sort of make the soil adhesion of this size of this block. Also, polythene paper helps to make the size of the block relatively smooth. It's take 8 days. We normally don't use a concrete foundation. We normally use mortar because we don't have much.
The measurements from the reference line, and it's 2 feet 7 feet deep.
And also creates a dome as we go up manure to feed it every day. When you put up the digester, you actually try to use. So don't upper part of the digester, which is the gas chamber, which is going to take us through up to the following day, which will be in the day number 5. A rainy season, he can use the 5 hooks towards the complete, whereby manhole. It's the storage for the gas. And now this is day number 8, which is our final day, under which we are doing it as well. We are laying the pipeline using strong and leak proof. A low temperature on it at the same time.
فلو انا النهارده طبقت هذا المنظور مدار الجمهوريه كلها، احنا ليه سايبين الميه الصرف كله يرمي في النيل، وبعد كده النيل يتلوث ويجي لنا نشربه ونعمله؟ المصانع كلها اللي بترمي في النيل اللي احنا سايبينها، مصانع الكيماويات. سيبك من الصرف ده بلاوي الصرف، بس سيبك من الصرف اللي هو الهافي ميتالز اللي هو بتعمل لنا الفشل الكلوي. ما ينفعش الكلام ده كله، لازم تجيب شركات تسحب المواد الكيماويه من المصانع دي، عشان مش هتقدر تقول له اصرفها في حته ثانيه، يبقى تجيب شركه تاخدها وتعيد تدويرها. هناك حاجات لازم تعملها على مراحل. ابدا الاول الجديد، احط له المعايير المظبوطه كلها، وابدا اشتغل بقى على القديم. اول حاجه عندي النيل، ما ينفعش ان انا النيل اسيبه كما هو يلوث ويترمى فيه اللي يترمى فيه والى اخره. استطيع ان انا اوقف منظومه اللي هي التلوث بتاع الكره دي كلها، ما فيش في خلال سنه بالكثير يبقى ده وقف. اذا وصل في خلال 5 سنين ما فيش مواطن مصري يدفع ميه ولا يدفع كهرباء ولا يدفع خدمات، عشان تستطيع ان انت تولد الكلام ده كله من فضلاته.